Hi everyone, today I'd like to run through one of the Suzuki service kits for you. Now Suzuki do these kits from 2.5 horsepower up to 250 horsepower. Now this is one of our most popular kits, and this one does the DF70A, 80A, 90A, 2009 onwards. So let's have a quick look, see what's inside them, shall we? Well, I can get the box open, there we go. Get rid of the packing. So let's start with the oil filter. So the kit comes with, these are all genuine Suzuki obviously, comes with an oil filter. Then we've got, in this engine, we've got 4 spark plugs, there we go. And then we have a pack of the anodes for the block, of course, yep. And the anodes should be some O-rings here to accompany the 3 block anodes, there we go. That's those. And then obviously we've got the fuel filter. Now we would have to have, or we would usually replace the gearbox oil drain screws, and of course the oil drain screw for the engine oil. Alright, now comes also a little split pin for the propeller. And this is a complete little kit. Here's one I opened earlier actually to show you of the water pump kit. So let's have a look inside and show you. So we've got genuine Suzuki impeller, and that's the gasket for the water pump housing. Kit doesn't come with a water pump housing, but everything else is included. Gasket for the base plate, and here we have the inner casing, stainless steel casing, and the bottom base plate for the housing. Let me just spread them out there so you can have a quick look. There you go. So complete kit retails for, this one retails for $116.95. And you can pop in the shop and buy it, or you can buy it online on our Outboard Parts online website, which is www.outboardpartsonline.co.uk, or you can get to that shop part of www.dillasboats.co.uk. Email us at sales@dillasboats.co.uk, or of course you can always ring Greg, myself, or Greg or Dave and Dylan, and we can help you over the phone. Telephone number 01248 410 266. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it's been helpful for you.